Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Mate X6, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, with that being said, you can do this kind of process in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't know. And to basically get started, you will need to turn off your device, and you can do so with or without a screen lock as you do it the same way. So you hold power button, ignore any kind of smart assistance popping up, and then select power off. And when the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. And you will hold both of these buttons till you see the HUAWEI logo show up on a screen, at which point you will let go of the power button, press it 5 times, and then on the 5th press, you're just gonna continue holding it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we go. Here we're gonna select clear data and then factory reset. Now, as a confirmation, you just need to type in yes. Like so, and then select factory reset. Once it's finished, we're gonna select back and then restart. This will continue resetting your device in the background while booting up, and once it's finished, the device will show up with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.